Hello, I'm Dr. Leena Balachandar, Senior Consultant ENT Surgeon in Medicover Hospitals, Whitefield. Today, let's discuss about snoring and sleep apnea. Snoring is not just a funny noise, it could be a warning sign. It could indicate that your airway is partially blocked while sleeping. This may lead to improper sleep, excessive daytime sleepiness, and certain other complications as well, increase in BP or certain heart conditions as well. But the good news is today with advance in medical science, we have multiple treatment options available, from lifestyle changes, CPAP machine which gives positive pressure, and corrective surgeries which can open up the airway. So don't ignore snoring. If you notice symptoms like excessive daytime sleepiness, improper sleep, loud snoring, or pauses while sleeping, while snoring, or increased BP which cannot be explained, consult your ENT specialist today. Thank you.